UPSC CSE Prelims 2020. The candidates are pretty anxious about what to revise and what to leave. Let us have a look at the 10 most important topics from the prelims point of view to be essentially revised just before the exam so as to pass with flying colors. Candidates must now just take time to focus on the most important topics that have been in the global news from the last year to this year. Take a look at the topics below, which have been selected after close analysis of previous year papers and the UPSC's approach towards the setting of the exam. National Register of Citizens (NRC), Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA). Home Affairs introduced the Citizenship Bill 2019 today in the Lok Sabha. Home Affairs have introduced the Citizenship Bill in 2019 today in the Lok Sabha. The bill proposed that the specified class of illegal migrants from the three countries would not be treated as illegal migrants, making them eligible for citizenship. Once they acquire citizenship, they would be deemed to be Indian citizens from the date of their entry into the India, and all legal proceedings regarding their status and illegal migrants or their citizenship would be closed. The candidates are also suggested to go through the basic details of the old act versus the new one, as the commission in the question on polity may ask a question to match one section to other. Anti-defection law. One needs to go through every detail of this law as we have an election coming up. Plus, there have been many defection law violations in the past year. Haryana MLA Gaya Lal changed his party thrice within the same day in 1967, which led people to use the phrase Aaya Ram Gaya Ram for him. After this, the 10th schedule was inserted in the constitution in 1985. It set the process by which legislators may be disqualified on the grounds of defection by the presiding officer of a legislature based on a petition by any other member of the House. Basic information on the act needs to be read by each and every, but the thing to focus on would be the exceptions set by the act. Candidates are advised to go through them thoroughly. Reservation Policy of India. The Supreme Court's judgment against 100% reservation of teachers of the scheduled tribes in primary schools brought to the fore a debate over the prospects of the interests of Adivasis protected under the 5th schedule of the Constitution in conflict with that of the other categories within the quota system. As per the PIB, reservation is provided to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes at the rate of 15%, 7.5% and 27% respectively in case of direct recruitment on all India basis by open competition. In case of direct recruitment on all India basis otherwise than by open competition, the percentage fixed is 16.66 for SCs, 7.5% for STs and 25.84% for OBCs. Candidates are advised to fully go through the Act once again. Governor's power and state emergency. The governor's appointment, his powers and everything related to the office of governor have been listed under Article 153 to Article 162 of the Indian Constitution. Recently, the governor of Rajasthan was charged with the violation of the Model Code of Conduct. His support of the ruling party was against the spirit of the non-partisanship that is expected from the person sitting on constitutional posts. The candidates are supposed to revise the constitutional powers, discretionary powers and the legislation powers of the governor. Article 370 needs no introduction and would have to be recovered as it was the biggest news of 2019 to 2020. The total number of the states in the country are now 28, while the total UTs have gone up to 9. The Triple Talaq Law. Talaq is an Islamic word for divorce, denoting dissolution of marriage when a Muslim man can sever all marital ties with his wife. Under the Muslim law, triple talaq means liberty from the relationship of marriage eventually or immediately, where the man by simply uttering the word talaq 3 times ends his marriage. This instant divorce is called triple talaq, also known as talaq-e-biddat. Triple talaq, also known as the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2009, was passed by the Indian Parliament as a law on July 30, 2019 to make instant triple talaq a criminal offence. Data protection. The Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 was introduced in Lok Sabha by the Minister of Electronics and Information and Technology, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, on December 11, 2019. The bill tries to provide protection of personal data of individuals and establishes a data protection authority for it. Candidates need to read all the details related to it, from legislation to implementation of the data protection. Coronavirus. One must go through just not the details of the COVID-19 but on the origin of its name, WHO guidelines and pandemic details. Why is any disease called a pandemic, epidemic, etc.? A suggestion would be to go through the details of all such epidemics caused till date and also the process of vaccine development. Essential Commodities Act. As per the book, Essential Commodities Act was established to ensure the delivery of certain commodities or products, the supply of which is obstructed owing to hoarding or black marketing would affect the normal life of the people. This includes foodstuff, drugs, fuel, etc. Candidates must know the basic details and its effect on the economy here. Union-state relationship. It is by far the most important issue, not just from the prelims point of view but mains exam as well. So candidates must go through the Indian national movement and Vedic age in history, while environment and geography must be revised keeping in mind the current affairs of the year. Just within some time, the exam will be there, and KSG India wishes all the best to all the candidates. So thank you so very much for watching ksgindia.com. Stay tuned for more details and updates regarding the examination or any other stuff related to the world. Thank you.